Chahi khudingi pangthoktuना lakpa lamdam asigi paumi sing sports meet ke athletic event sing pangthokre Khumalampak main stadium da pangthoke ba athletic event ke nupi ge 100 meter race ta impact news ki babina hazari mayum na goal lawkre aduga 400 meter na silver medal lobangam ke nupi ge 100 meter race ta ISTB ge leichongbam fajalem bina silver aduga SKTV ge sangakpam Rosimalana bronze fangke nupi ge 400 meter race ta na media unified ki parito na goal SKTV SKTV Rosimalana bronze lauke nupi gi discus throw da SKTV na gold silver amadi bronze ahumak lauke nupi gi long jump ta SKTV na gold amadi silver aduga ISTV na bronze medal fangke nupi gi shot put event ta SKTV na gold amadi silver medal fangke aduga ISTV na bronze medal lauke nupa gi discus throw da media unified ki jira koizam na gold silver medal na ISTV gi ningthaukhongjam binoina aduga SKTV gi khatrimayum prem chana bronze medal fangke nupa gi shot put ta Sangai Express ki Kishan na gold media unified ki jira koizam na silver aduga ISTV ge binoina bronze medal fangke nupa ge 100 meter race ta Sangai Express na gold ISTV na silver aduga media unified na bronze medal fangke long jump da Sangai Express na gold media unified na silver aduga ISTV na bronze medal fangke loina nupa ge 400 meter race ta Sangai Express na gold athoba Delhi na silver aduga ISTV na bronze medal lauke aroiba event oikiba nupa ge volleyball da SKTV na winner oike